Hi, I'm Michael, a senior solution designer. Welcome to our deep dive into the foundations of practical data analysis. Today, we're focusing on the technical requirements that ensure your logistics designs are built on facts, not assumptions. A data analysis is the only tool that provides solution engineering with an unbiased and realistic view of a logistics operation. It prevents designs from being based on incorrect or incomplete requirements. In many cases, the data will contradict information provided by stakeholders. There is a direct relationship between the number of design iterations in a project and whether a proper analysis was conducted early on. To get started, we need to align on basic terminology. These definitions form the language of our analysis. We look at SKUs, orders, and individual order lines. Understanding pieces per unit and transport units allows us to quantify the physical movement required. We then look at the statistical spread, using standard deviation, medians, and percentiles to understand peaks rather than just averages. The data sets we need fall into two categories. Master data contains the static information, while order data captures the dynamic activity, the actual shipping and loading information. Why is this analysis so important? It's about evaluating the parameters that define the daily business. It allows us to evaluate throughput data across months, days, and hours, identifying seasonal fluctuations and peak times that a generic overview might miss. Analyzing the order structure is critical. We need to know how many lines are in an order and how many pieces are in each line to determine the picking unit and volume movement. Through ABC analysis of all SKUs, we can understand the velocity of items and their stock turnover rates, which directly informs the storage strategy. From the analysis, we extract specific metrics, total SKUs in stock, and the volume of orders and lines within representative timescales like shifts or hours. By breaking down quantity per order and per order line, we gain granular insight into the operational parameters. This is where the strategy begins to take shape. This information allows us to segregate products into the most suitable storage and picking technologies for the required operation. Ultimately, a proper data analysis facilitates conceptualization and optimizes the entire design process, reducing overhead and wasted concepts. Data analysis is the foundation. It turns a collection of items into a streamlined logistics operation. Thanks for joining me for this technical overview.